On Saturday, November 16th, just after 4:20, the very first thing you'll really notice high up in the sky is the planet Jupiter. Be the brightest thing out in the south. Next to Jupiter will be the twin stars of Gemini, Castor and Pollux. Just to make it so we can see things a little easier, I'm going to disable some of the sky and shut off the trees so we can see Castor and Pollux and Jupiter very high in the sky. But the primary thing we're going to look at is the Comet ISON. ISON recently got very much brighter and is low in the northeast, actually almost due east, halfway between the bright planet Mars, the bright star Spica, which is very low on the horizon, and there's ISON itself. ISON will be naked eye visible. Over the next few days, ISON will go very close to Mercury, loop around the Sun, and if it survives its passage, become extraordinarily bright, possibly as bright as Jupiter. Maybe Venus, they're saying. We'll have to see. As it does, we'll notice that it will develop twin tails. The two tails we'll see will be the first is the ion trail blown off by the stellar wind. That always points away from the Sun. The second will be the debris trail. This is basically materials, volatile materials that have boiled off and will form a belt. This is how we get asteroid storms, meteor storms from other things. The other thing you might notice, if you're up this early, is high in the north, the International Space Station will be rising. Currently at 4:25, it's still in the Earth's shadow, coming up through Ursa Major, heading through Draco, on its way into the Sun. As it gets beyond the Earth's shadow into the Sun, we'll be able to see it coming up. So tomorrow morning will be very interesting to be able to see Jupiter, Mars, Comet ISON, and if you're up early enough, the International Space Station. Let's watch the space station come up around 4:25:32 or so. This is of course set up for my home in Burlington, Massachusetts, and we'll just watch this for a couple of minutes. Enjoy the sky. So remember, go outside and look up, look for the Comet ISON, watch it grow brighter the next few days, and enjoy.